India has become a major hub for the production of wearables, and this is having a negative impact on China's wearables industry. India's wearables market surpassed China to become the largest in the world. India is home to several wearables brands that are transforming the lifestyle industry. The Indian market is estimated to be worth around $6 billion by 2023 with an annual growth rate of 30 to 35%. Hello and welcome to Varindia News Hour. The global smartwatch shipments contracted 1.5% year-on-year in quarter first 2023. The 1% growth in India's shipments managed to restrict the decline. This was the second consecutive quarter of a year-on-year decrease in global shipments, which were hit by the seasonal decline in demand for products from major players like Apple and Samsung, along with consumer sentiment dampened by global financial pressures. India will be home to several leading wearables companies that are transforming the lifestyle industry. These companies produce a range of products such as fitness trackers and smartwatches that allow users to monitor their activity and health, as well as receive notifications and other important information. Indian brands such as Noise, Fire-Boltt, and Boat have been gaining popularity in recent years. These brands offer affordable and feature-rich wearables that are well suited to the Indian market. As the wearables market continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovations from the Indian brands in the coming years. Fire-Boltt surpassed Samsung for the first time in the global smartwatch market, capturing the second spot. Amazfit provides high-quality, stylish wearable products that combine advanced technology and superior design. Fitbit has also made inroads into the Indian market and has launched several products for adults and children. People increasingly like using Apple products, particularly Apple Watches in India. But only the point is a very few people could afford the pricing of Apple products. Amid a global slowdown in demand for tech devices, the smartwatch consumption trend has also undergone a transformation. China's share of the global wearable market has been declining, and in 2021, China's global wearables market was 45%. In 2022, China's share of the global wearable market fell to 35%. And in 2023, China's share of the global wearable market is expected to fall to 30%. Although the overall smartwatch shipment volume declined slightly compared to last year, affordable products that offer a certain level of performance generated substantial demand based on their price accessibility. These low-end smartwatches are also absorbing or replacing the existing smart band market. Let's look into today's headlines. Infosys signs $454 million deal with Danske Bank. Infosys has been selected by Denmark-based Danske Bank as a partner to accelerate the lender's digital transformation. The deal is valued at $454 million for 5 years with an option to renew for one additional year for a maximum of 3 times. Infosys will also acquire the bank's IT center in India, where more than 1,400 professionals are employed. Credit card debt exceeds 2 lakh crore rupees. For the first time in April, the amount owed on credit cards exceeded rupees 2 lakh crore. Even though the RBI has issued a warning over the rise in unsecured bank credit, lenders claim there are no significant worries because the share of credit card dues is still small. Credit card balances reached rupees 2,258 crore in April 2023, up 29.7% from April 2022, according to the RBI. This is not just due to rising indebtedness, but is a reflection of their increased use for payments and inflation. In Australia's anti-fake news crackdown, Meta, Google and Twitter could face $8 billion fine. Michael Rowland, the Communications Minister for Australia, unveiled a new strategy to stop the spread of false information on social media sites like Facebook, Google and Twitter. The plan calls for fining tech giants up to billions of dollars if they regularly fail to delete objectionable content. The maximum penalties for digital companies might soon be 2% or 5% of the company's global revenue, according to the Australian Communications and Media Authority. Adani raises $213 million to set up 2 data centers. Adani Connects, the Adani Group's data center division, has secured $213 million in construction finance from a group of international banks for its planned data centers in Noida and Chennai. The money would be used to construct a 50 megawatt data center in Noida and a 17 megawatt initial phase of a data center in Chennai. The business has committed to constructing a 1 gigawatt green data center infrastructure in India. UK man imprisoned for 5 years for Twitter hack targeting Biden Musk. British national Joseph James O'Connor has been imprisoned for 5 years for his role in the 2020 Twitter hack that targeted over 130 accounts to promote a crypto scam. The breach targeted the accounts of Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and US Vice President Joe Biden, among other prominent figures. Joseph previously admitted to having stolen cryptocurrency from the fraud for $794,000. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.